Hello and welcome to this video. Now today I am translating for you the song Frères Soki, the two Soki brothers or the Soki brothers. Now this song was done by Kanda Bongo Man and the year was 1990. What was he singing about in the song? You know, when he was at Orchestra Bella Bella, Kanda Bongo Man sang with two brothers. Now the two brothers were called Soki Vangu Maxime and Soki Dianzenza Èmile, but they were just commonly called Les Frères Soki, the Soki brothers. Now something interesting is that they died 2 weeks apart, the brothers. Soki Dianzenza Èmile died first on the 4th of May 1990, and then 2 weeks later on the 18th of May 1990 Soki Vangu Maxime followed. So this really touched Kanda Bongo Man, so he released this song for them called Frères Soki, the Soki brothers. So it's a very sad song the way Kanda Bongo Man has done it. Please enjoy and remember to subscribe, remember to share, and remember to leave a comment. Nakokamwa. I am really very surprised. I'm really very surprised. Nandimakite bayoka basango yango. I did not want them to know about this news. Kasiyo olingaki eyebana, but you wanted it to be known. Ngana kuminde kolota yo mama, you know, I keep on now dreaming about you. Ngana kuminde kolota yo, I have now been introduced to just dreaming about you. Listen yango e bandakala, and you know the way we used to play, the way we used to do our things began a long time ago. Batonyoso bayeba yango, very many people, all the people know about it. Bella Bella eyebana yango, Bella Bella band, this is very well known. Nazaliko kamwa. I am very surprised really. Nazaliko lota elonginayo, I keep on dreaming about your face. Butunyo songa ina kolota, the whole night I dream. Namuna wapi, but where can I see? Where can I get you? Nalota wapi, where do I dream you with? Nauti na Japan, nakoti sesango. And you know, I came from Japan and I heard the news. Yo ozongisi molimo ngai moto pasi, that you've returned your soul. I have a headache. Moto ekomi kosua mpo likampo yo otiki ngai moko. And now I have headache. You know why? Because you've left me alone. You've left me the only one now. Natikalingo lokola itike, I have become like an orphan. Natikali lokola moto azanga ndako. Soki Vangu. So I sing about the two brothers Soki Vangu and Èmile Vangu. Kende malamu mwana ya mama epai natikali ezalika kakolota. Go well, travel well, go well, go and rest well. But where I remained, I only think about you. Nabutumo bimba, the whole night I only just think about you. Nazali sekolota yo, I keep on dreaming about you. Lisano sila kite Dianzenza. You know, our work, you know, Lisano, to mean our dance or our musical world had not actually ended. Ngai awa natikali lokola zoba. I have become crazy, like I've become stupid. Talangana kome lokola yuma, you know, I'm like a madman. I'm very crazy and very confused. Soki Vangu ngai na leli yo. Soki Dianzenza ngai na sambwe. Soki Dianzenza, you know, I am, you know, finished. I'm really embarrassed, you know. My body is ashamed, you know, because of the very many good things we did together. Ngai mpe makasi selingana nzoto. No, I no longer have strength. I'm very weak because of your disappearing. Nakome mandenge nini kilo ele kingai. How do I carry all this weight? Then he says, Memelangai Dianzenza, you know, carry for me this load. I'm really suffering. I have a lot of, my heart is heavy. I'm carrying so much luggage. Please help me, even in whichever place that you went to. Nasuki wapingana memingambo. And where do I reach with all this? I'm in trouble. Nakokamwa na likambo yango, and you know, I'm really very surprised by this. But when you some paper you bingo, and you know, everybody knows about this. Lelonga natikali na pasi, you know, today I've remained with pain, you know, and heartbreak really. Then Nene Chako takes over, you know, with the solo guitar 7. Thank you for watching.